Here we go, it's Kosmic Kanga. It's an arcade style game. 1984. What are we doing? Where are we off? We're a kangaroo or something, I believe. We've got to get back to our spaceship. Now. Oh, look at the music. Oh, lovely. So everything's deadly basically, apart from the odd occasional thing. Here we go. Kangaroo, tie me kangaroo down. Oh, I'm dead. Tie me kangaroo down, sport. Oh no! You stupid bastard! You can shoot. You bounce. Oh, what's that under? Don't seem to be having much luck controlling the guy. Come on. He's been on the. Ah, oh, you bastard. You bounce around like you're pissed. Something I know all about. Oh, I shot something. Calm down, that's. Ooh. Get the hang of it now. Booze! Need some booze. Get camera. Oh, I'm getting the hang of it now. Oh, it's tricky. I'm gonna get past this. Oh, I'm quite into this game now. Just pity the graphics just shite. The key is not to bounce too high, too quick. Air traffic control tower. No, it's not that great to be fair. 6 out of 10. Frustrating as hell. Kosmic Kanga.